Yeah, that's a good one, huh?
Yeah. For some reason, all car carriers are nice and sick looking. I don't know what it is. It's just a common fact. All of those. Doesn't have a good mark. Had that like, yeah, that classic like Steamboat Willie. I always make trouble all the time.
Sure is.
I would love to have that when I grow up. Yet again.
Not sure he's got an air horn for you, but that's a heck of a load, huh?
Yeah. A truck carrying a truck carrying a truck carrying a truck. Carrying a truck carrying a truck, I think. Yeah, carrying a truck. Carrying a truck carrying a truck.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, yeah, okay. Right.
Sure did.
Muchas gracias.
Oh, he dipped in the side door. had a big smile, so he gets 2 extra points.
Get the 7.
Nice, sure did. Not looking. What kind of load is that, man?
Oh, those are grain silos. You pull the wagon under there, and if you harvest like wheat, you'll put wheat into the trailer. Oh, hey, thank you.
Yep. You went. Oh, for hours. Of course. Thank you.
There we go. That's the spirit. That's it. That's a rain silo. That's everything. That's a picnic bench. People haven't this anymore. That's a sick looking truck.
Thank you.
That was loud.
Well, look what's coming.
Nope, we got a FedEx coming, sneaking up behind you.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
We got a Mac coming. And then we got international looking like a pretty cool.
He didn't get it. He's busy making moves.
Yeah.
I think that's that pickup.
No, that was that.
Good looking truck, even though he didn't honk.
Yeah.